Hi guys, everybody in Aldine, whether teacher or student, has a YouTube account associated with their Aldine email address through Google. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough of how to upload videos to YouTube. I'm going to come right here, select YouTube, and it's going to take me to my YouTube homepage. And I have this symbol right here at the top, which is create, and that's where you press to upload videos. And if you need to access videos that you have created in the past, you would click right here where it says your videos. I'm going to go to upload and create right now. Select files. And this is where I've downloaded the MP4 of my cute kitty video that I made on Adobe Spark the other day. So right now that's going to upload to YouTube. And while it's uploading, it's going to let me fill in some of the details about my video. So first I have my title, Cutie Kitty is fine with me. I can put in my description. I can scroll down here and select a thumbnail. I'm going to let it process for a minute more. I'm going to add it to a playlist. I actually have a playlist for this school year. You don't have to do this. I'm going to pick this as my thumbnail because it's a little more attractive. My audience, I'm going to select yes, it's made for kids, because that means you get a few ads that you wouldn't want attached to your video screened out. Next. We don't need anything on this page, so next again. Now we have our choices here for the privacy of our video. You have three choices: private, which means only you and people you choose can watch your video; unlisted, which means anybody who has the link can see your video; and public, which means anybody can see your video online. I'm just going to say public for today. I can also schedule my video if I don't want it to come out this week, if I want to wait till next week before it comes out, but I'm not going to worry about this today. And they're asking you, do kids appear in the video? Do you have permission? You know, what's your content like? And that's fine for me right now. So I'm going to click publish. Now, I can copy my link from right here or share it to any of these social media. If I need to go back later, I can go back and look in my videos, and there's a couple different things I can do here. I can change the privacy setting in my video right here. If I decide later that I want it to be private or unlisted, I can do that. If I need to go back and get a copy of the link to share into my Schoology classroom, I can click Get Shareable Link, and it's already going to have copied it to my clipboard. I can also come right here and delete the video. If I decide I don't like the video a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks from now, next year, and I don't want it on my YouTube account anymore, I come right here to delete forever. It's going to ask me, do you understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone? I'm going to click yes, I understand that. And then I'm going to delete it forever. So that's just a really quick way to upload videos to YouTube. It takes up a lot less storage space that way. It makes it a lot faster and easier to put it in your Schoology classroom. I hope this was helpful. And as always, if you need me in any way or have any questions, just shoot me an email.